you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Allure beauty box to show you for January. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the January 2026 Allure beauty box has arrived. Well, it actually arrived like over a week ago, but I had the worst time. Like, I spent 4 to 5 days straight trying to delete things off of both of my phones. I had no memory. I couldn't even record anything. So yeah, and then after spending 4 to 5 days just on my phone nonstop with the migraine and all of that, so I had to take a few days off and get stuff done around the house that I needed to do with my animals. So long story short, I'm finally now able to sit down and record this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the first box of 2026 for Allure Beauty. And I think I'm remembering now the item that we got to choose. I did choose for February, and that's actually really cool. It's like a perfume bar or something like that, like a solid, it's not a spray, it's not a liquid. So I'm really intrigued, but you got to pick the scent. So I'm excited for that one for next month. And down inside, you always have a brochure right on top with a gorgeous woman. And there inside of here, we'll go over all of the products. It'll tell you if it's a full-size product or the sample size product and what the value of the full-size product is. There is a coupon if you would like to purchase from the store they give you. And then the items inside look like that. And my subscription does renew next month, and I'm going to go ahead and let it renew for another year. So you're going to have another 12 months of Allure Beauty on my channel. So hopefully you like this. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and go with the customized item. And this is from Tarte. It is the Sculpt Tape, and it says contour. And you got to choose the color. I chose Cool Bronze. Is that bronze? Cool Bronze. Again, you get to choose between 4 different colors. I don't do anything with bronzing or contouring or highlighting or blush or anything like that. And if you follow me, you know. So I always save all of this for you guys. I put it in a featured giveaway pile. So that is where this will go. This is a full-size product valued for $36. And again, you could choose between the cool bronze, medium cool bronze, warm bronze, and a deep bronze. So a cool bronze will be going in a future giveaway, but if you want to see what the actual product inside looks like without me opening it, it's like that. And then I think it has like a little sponge that just comes out the end of it. So here will go in a giveaway. Again, $36, so more than the entire box with this first product. So now we have a Mitchell and Peach English Growers Body Souffle English Loof. Is this, let me see, hold on. It says a light moisturizer to nourish and soothe the skin. Okay, the way that I was reading it, I was thinking it was like a scrub or something that I don't care for, but it says the best time to apply body lotion is when you are fresh out of the shower and towel dried. Slather this on you all the way down to your toes. So from your head to your toes, you can use this. The full size product is 2.1 ounce for $28, and we have a 2.1 This is a full size product? Wait, hold on. 2.1 ounce. 2.1 ounce. This is a full-size product. The photo here makes it look like it's a longer bottle, you know what I mean, than this. So it tricked my brain thinking this was a sample size. No, this is a full-size product. That's so weird though, to have a full-size lotion this small. 2.1 ounce, $28. There you go. Second item. Next up, we do have a facial moisturizer. And there is the brand right there. This right here says it's $65 for a 1.7 ounce, and that is what this is right here. Holy moly. So this definitely pays for the entire box in just this one product. I love a good facial moisturizer. I love moisturizers, so I will definitely try that out. I like the container. You can just pump it out. And slather it over your face if you want, or whichever. It does say apply to face in the morning and evening or as needed. So very simple. So again, $65 for this one. Okay, so now we have, this is a Paul Mitchell product. So that's out of the packaging, and the Paul Mitchell Super Shiny Serum, it retail values a 5.1 ounce for $28.50, and what's included in our box is a 0.85 ounce. So you get to try it out, but that is a lot of serum in there, so it's not like it's a teeny tiny serum. That's a good size for you to try out. So you do have that product. Now this product is a this or that. I do not have the that in my book. However, on their site, it shows you will receive this or that. So it looks like it would be between the Bite C Papaya Enzyme Scrub by Radial, whichever, or the Hydrogel Under Eye Masks. And that's what I received. I've had the vitamin C, Bite C product before, and I haven't had this. So this is great to have, at least it's something different. This here is the under eye masks. It says 3 pairs and it's valued for $4. So you have 3 pairs, at least it's not just 1 pair, you know what I mean? So that's cool. So you have that. Now the last product in here looks like this. Let's see what this is. Blake Brown Wild Nectar Sensual Fundamental Nourishing Mask. I hope you don't have to be washed off. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's for your hair. I'm even more excited. Okay, so it says after shampooing and rinsing, skip the conditioner and rake a dollop of this thick butter-like cream into your hair, starting from mid-lengths and working down to the ends. Leave on for 2 to 5 minutes, then rinse for smoother, shinier strands. An 8 ounce, and that's what this is, values for $20. I'm so excited that this is a hair mask now. This is definitely a weird package though. Oh, it smells so good too. It smells so good. It smells tropical. To me, I'm smelling like coconut, tropical kind of like vibes. Kind of like you would smell when you go into a tanning salon. I used to work in a tanning salon, so that always comes to mind back in the day. But there we go, $20 hair mask. I'm super, super excited about this, guys. So a quick recap for the January. We're already starting off to a great box for 2026. You have a $20 hair mask that I'm super excited about. You do have a hair serum. You have the eye masks, or you could have got the other product. You have this full size $20-something. Was this 20? 28? Yes, $28 body like lotion. You have the face moisturizer, and then you have the Tarte sculpting contouring product. Okay, you guys, so that is everything for this box. What do you think? What would be your favorite item in here? Do you get this box? Do you want to? Let me know down below. If you want some pricing for this, I will let you know now. They always do switch up what you get when you order, so let me see what their current promotion is. It looks like you get a free retinol ampule valued for $48 if you do the monthly or the quarterly box. The annual box, you'll get the same thing, but you'll also get a beauty boost bundle that's valued at $278. So it looks like if you do month per month, the box is $29.99. If you would like to go to a quarterly plan, that one is $79 for the 3 months, or the full year plan is $287. And again, you will get that free $200 and something bundle as well. Everything will be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to pop on over to Allure and see what they have, or see the different selections, all of that good stuff in the description box for you. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I'd love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.